So these are my tomatoes that my husband planted, but I don't know when did he plant this because he didn't put the label. So they just started growing. It must have been around about the same time when I put the carrots in. I think this is nearly 3 weeks ago.
1 month later.
Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Nose Life in England here. In today's vlog, I am going to show you how I'm going to transfer all these tomatoes that my husband planted from seeds, and now because they're all growing quite rapidly lately, so I am going to transfer them in a big tomato planter in a grow bag. So we have a tomato as well as garden peas, guys. There you go. Because apparently garden peas is a good accompaniment, good companion with the tomatoes. So this is going to be my first time I'm going to plant the garden peas together with the tomatoes. Oops, I think I've broken that one. So let's try it. I've got another one here. So this one, I actually planted the seeds. I planted it on the 8th of May. So now it's like coming almost a month now. So it's grown from seeds to this size. So yeah, I'm gonna get started, guys. So I'm just gonna show you this tomato grow bag I'm going to use. So at the moment I'm in the greenhouse. So this is the one I am going to use. I've got my scissors here, pair of scissors that I'm going to cut along the lines. So I'm gonna make a hole. So in one bag, in one big bag, I can cut 1, 2, 3 holes, guys. So there you go. Right, let's get started. going to leave them outside. So yung mga small muna dito sa loob ng greenhouse. Kasi meron pa po akong dalawang grow bag sa labas ng greenhouse. So yung mga maliliit, siya ang ilalagay ko dito sa loob ng greenhouse. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So guys, I put what you call this one, bamboo stick, for them to grow and support the peas when they climbing up. So hopefully this is gonna work out, because I never planted the tomato with peas. This is the very first time I've done it, because we're lack of space, because our vegetable patch, we used to have a vegetable patches, but we turned them into lawn, back to the lawn again, because I had a back injury last year. So this is kind of like a space saving.